In today's video, we're going to be talking about low competition niches you can use for an upcoming holiday, which is July 4th, also known as Independence Day in the US of A. I've got some very good low competition niches for you guys today. So if you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your own print on demand shops. Now, if you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my future content. We've actually helped a lot of people get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you are looking for any additional information, down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide, which features a lot of the information that I used to get my first few sales online. However, if you do want to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's a link down below. So yeah, Independence Day, the 4th of July. This is a big holiday in America that a lot of people do celebrate, and with big holidays comes opportunity to make money. So yes, today I'm going to be showing you niches that will give you an opportunity to potentially get sales in a very competitive market. So hopefully that you guys can get your sale counts up and Redbubble can start advertising you out there a little bit more. If you don't know how competitive this niche is, when you search up July 4th, you can see there's 135,000 results, which is crazy. Independence Day also brings us 97,000 results, so just under 100,000 results. There's a lot more variation of keywords that you guys can try out, as you can see here as suggested at the top. For example, if I go on Memorial Day, you see there's still 28,000 results. So yes, the competition is high. What I'll be talking about within this video, you'll be able to use the main keywords in your tags, but the niches you'll be jumping into, as you're going to see, the competition will be a lot lower. With no further ado, jumping us straight into it with the niche one is Inhale Freedom. Now this only has 120 results, not 120,000, just 120. So if you're watching this video, you should probably go out there and make a design for this niche, because you never know, you could end up getting a sale. Obviously this is linked to the 4th of July, Independence Day, and you want to be making sure that you're using those keywords in your tags. So if you do start getting sales here, you get ranked up on those other keywords. A lot of the designs that are here look plain simple. A lot of them are just simple text based, so I'm pretty sure you guys can create them in your own way as well. I'm seeing stickers, kids clothing, something you don't really see a lot of people selling. And yeah, the opportunity is definitely there for you guys to jump into. Moving us on to niche 2, we have red, wine and blue. Play on words on the red, white and blue of the American flag. Obviously this is coming in with 915 results. This is really good, mainly because it's mixing two very popular niches at this current moment in time. Obviously Independence Day designs are getting a lot of searches. People are looking to buy things for that holiday, but then you also have people coming from the wine niche, which is more for evergreen designs, that may also be liking these designs. So the combination of niches to form this one is very nice, and it's something that could definitely help you guys come out with some cool sales. And yeah, I mean, the range in design in terms of the products it's on looks pretty cool. We've got some people using greetings cards. Yeah, this is a design that I feel that, you know, you guys can have a lot of opportunity to do well with. Just try to think, what can this design be put on that people could potentially wear out when it comes to 4th of July celebrations? And I'm pretty sure if you go in with that mindset, you won't go too wrong. Next, we got niche number 3, which is too cool for British rule. At first, I wasn't too sure what this was about, and even if I'm wrong in my explanation, please do correct me in the comments. But I came to an understanding that obviously this is from when America took independence of its own country, the United States, from the British, hence why it's something a lot of people are kind of searching for at the moment. I mean, in terms of results, 664 results. The competition is very low, and like I've been saying, as long as you're using the keywords I've been talking about, so obviously 4th of July, Independence Day in your tag, if you do well in this smaller sub niche, you potentially get pushed up in the main keywords. A lot of people have stickers going on there. I'm seeing a range of different products. You can even throw things in there like mugs. I'm not seeing too many mugs, but yeah, that's something that could potentially sell for you guys. Bear in mind that the 4th of July is a very, very hot holiday. It's closer than, you know, a lot of you guys would probably expect. So you need to most likely start making designs right now. That's if you guys haven't already. Niche number 4, United States of Anxiety. It was a bit of a weird one when I came across this one, because I was like, interesting. But the results are low, 898 in comparison to what I showed you at the start of the video. Obviously, this falls into kind of the mental health side of things as well, and anxiety related products slash designs have been performing quite well on Redbubble recently. I don't know why too much, but all I know is that they have been performing well. And obviously, if you can find a way to mix it up with this holiday, you know, there may be people out there that buy this, that relate to this, that like this, and I'm not too sure why. But if you can make nice designs and you put them on there, you will get sales. One thing I've learned from Redbubble is that sometimes you don't really need to understand as much why people are buying things in a certain niche. Just design, make sure everything is trademark check, and if the sales come in, keep doing what you're doing. Nevertheless, on to niche 5 to finish us off with Bump's first 4th of July. Now, this is coming in with only 35 results. Now, imagine how many people out there in the USA are pregnant at the moment that will be looking to go out, celebrate 4th of July, maybe even see some fireworks. You guys know how it is. If you really think of it, this kind of design will be perfectly suited for them holiday. I mean, I'm from the UK, so I don't know too much about the 4th of July. I just know that the Americans love this holiday, love the fireworks on this day. And yeah, I mean, this looks like something that would do quite well. Obviously, it would work well mainly on things like shirts, as you guys can see there, especially as it's something people may be wearing out. But if you want to put it on stickers, you never know, people might want to stick it onto their clothing. That's something you could potentially do, as I'm not seeing too many people doing it here. Great chance to kind of jump into a niche with very, very low results. I mean, 35. That is crazy. And if you guys thought I was just gonna leave you with 5 niches, you're wrong. You know, we got a bonus niche. If you've made it to this point of the video, you deserve a bonus niche. We have just here to bang. Now, they're talking about fireworks. I'm just gonna throw it out there. It's nothing rude, even though it could be seen that way depending on who you are. I mean, I don't make the rules. I mean, the competition is a bit higher than the other niches that I've covered, with it showing up with just under 2,000 results. But maybe you might be able to play around with this in your own ways. Maybe find other niches that are very similar to this one that link up to 4th of July. I don't know. You know, you could do a little bit of research. Came across a few that you might find interesting. That's going to be it for today's video though. I thought I would make it a little bit more exciting, throw in a little bit more energy, because I know the guys in the States love the 4th of July. So I thought I'll come out in this video like a firework and explode with all this information for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. Down in the comment section, let me know if any of these niches were new to you, or if you already knew of these niches. I'll be interested to read through those comments. And at the end of the day, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.